Seller University offers a library of resources and trainings to help you navigate selling on Amazon and grow your business no matter your level of experience. To find learning content in Seller Central, search for Seller University or select the Learn How to Sell on Amazon recommendation card from the side menu. You can bookmark the page for easy access. From the Seller University main page, you'll see a wide range of topics designed to support you throughout your selling journey. As a beginner seller, start with foundational material overviewing topics like fulfillment, listings, brand registry, and more. When you're ready to dive in deeper, look for step-by-step guides that walk you through Seller Central workflows, like sending shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers or creating promotions. As an experienced Amazon seller, find more advanced trainings on business growth strategies, such as optimizing your listings, pricing products more competitively, discovering new selling tools, and more. Regardless of your experience level, you can access courses, which are a series of trainings designed to help you complete an action, such as enrolling in Fulfillment by Amazon. To help you learn as you work, you may notice relevant Seller University content integrated throughout Seller Central. Click the Learn More or Watch Tutorial buttons for access to task-specific guidance without leaving your current workflow. Some of our Seller University videos can also be found on the Amazon Seller University YouTube channel. This is a great place to start if you don't have access to your Seller Central account yet, but want to get a jump start on learning. When you have questions, need help, or are looking for ways to grow, Seller University is here to support you. Content is regularly updated to reflect new features and best practices, so check back frequently to stay informed about the latest selling opportunities on Amazon.